today what I want to do is I want to get you through my Forex morning routine. So there's a few things that I do every single morning. And first thing before we go into the whole video is I want you to tell me if the quality is good. So if the quality is not good of this video, let me know, because I'm trying different settings, I'm trying different things to see how live video can be better or worse. So if you have any problems seeing the video, seeing the chart correctly, let me know, and I'll do my best to correct that and fix that as soon as I can. All right. So I'll get you through what I do every single morning when I want to day trade. Okay, so I'm not day trading every morning, but I'm trading this week. I'm going to trade probably 4 days. And I want to guide you through the exact step I follow, right? And the reason, by the way, why I didn't trade yesterday is because I came back from vacation. And when you come back from a vacation, it's harder to get to trading right away, right? Because you're in a different mindset. You just want to get back in the right mindset first. So that's why I didn't trade yesterday. Didn't day trade. But I'm going to day trade today. So the first thing I always do is I'm going to look at the news. Okay, that's the first thing that I do. And the market just opened 7 minutes ago. Forex market opened for the New York session. That's the one I'm going to day trade. Now, what I'm going to see right now is that we do not have any news announcement today, right? We have this 12 a.m., but nothing else is supposed to happen, right? This was a speech that happened. So we don't have any big news coming out today, which is pretty good. So I'll close that right away because I don't want to get influenced by Forex Factory. It's not important for me. It's not a factor in my trading, right? So people look at it often, and I don't think it's a good idea. I don't think it's a good idea to do this. But I'm gonna go back to the charts, and what I want to show you in those charts is the first thing I'm gonna do whenever I look at a chart. Okay, whether that's for swing trading, day trading, is the same thing. I'm going to look at the same thing. And I'll start by looking at the market phase. I always talk about this. So I'm going to identify whether the market is in a trend right now or sideways. Okay, that's the first thing. So I'll take the 4 pairs I'm going to trade. EURUSD, GBP USD, USD CAD, and AD USD, which I'll look at one by one. Okay, I'm on a 5-minute chart right now. And what I'll do is I'll kind of identify the highs and the lows just to give me an idea of what's happening. Okay, so I'll see something like this. And I don't know whether this is a high or a low, but for now it doesn't really matter. Okay, what I see is that we've been in an uptrend recently. Okay, big uptrend. And then we started to kind of lose momentum, right? We had this big high, but then we formed a new low here. So this is showing us that possibly the uptrend might be starting to phase out, might be starting to slow down a little bit. So I'll be really careful here because this to me is going to be sort of sideways unless we create a new high or a new low, and then I'll look at different things. But for now, since I'm not trading sideways when I day trade, I'm not even going to look at this, right? This is not even going to be important. I'm just going to look at this is sideways, so I'll wait. And I'll wait to see what happens. Now I'll take another example. GBP USD, and same thing's happening here, right? What happened in the past is we had consolidations, then uptrends, an uptrend. Okay, this is a phase. If you're looking at market phase from Weinstein, this is going to be phase 2, right? The rise, and then we had this new consolidation right now, which we're in. So again, here, I'm not going to trade back and forth within the consolidation, right? This would be kind of tough because you have the spread, you have different things. And you wouldn't be looking for high reward to risk. You would be looking for really small profits. And this is not my style. So I would avoid this unless we have breaks somewhere outside the range, right? Could be above or below. It doesn't matter. But for now, this is not promising. This is just showing us that we're in a range. Okay. And again, guys, I just see people joining live right now. So if you see this video, let me know what the quality is. Okay, if the video is good, the screen quality is good, let me know. If it's bad, let me know as well, because I want to do things correctly and I want to fix it, right? If it's bad, I'll do my best to fix it and to get better videos next time, better quality, because I'm not sure how it looks. I cannot see the full screen, so you guys can let me know as much as you want. Okay, so then the next pair is going to be USD CAD, and USD CAD is quite similar, except that we had this downtrend here. Okay, then we started to lose momentum, right? This is still a downtrend right here. We had a consolidation, but still a downtrend. But now we're kind of struggling to form a new low. So we'll see if we form a new low here. Okay, if we can break out of this low, then the downtrend is going to be confirmed. But if we're going to stay within this range here and come back up, then I'm going to say this is sideways for now. This is market phase 1. It's after a drop. So it's going to be 1, the foundation. But we'll see what's happening here, what the price is doing. But again, here I'll wait to see what the trend is. And for now, it looks like this morning's going to be a little bit slow because I don't see any trend, any big move. So we'll see what happens. And then ADUSD. This is interesting though, because we had an uptrend and we're still in the same uptrend, right? We had this high here, this high, and this high. And now we have this high. So we're always increasing, always going back up. And same thing with the lows. We had these lows, this low. And well, you could say this is a low, but we're still going higher, right? This was not a full low, so we're still going higher. It's still an uptrend here. Now, of course, I'm not looking to trade sideways. So if price comes back down, let's say, and then continues like this and doesn't create a new high, then the trend's going to be kind of invalid, right? But if we go back up and break above here strongly, then this is where I'll be interested to trade, because I'm looking to trade trends when I day trade. That's if you're in the Ultimate Day Trader or in the Academy, you're going to understand everything I'm talking about here, because we're usually looking for trends. Because usually the market's going to favor trends in a day trading environment. The market's going to show big trends or big moves. We're more likely to see breakouts, right? This is not going to stay this way the whole day. Probably not. It's probably going to break out at some point. So that's basically what I'll be looking for today. And this is promising for now, because we could simply break out. And then this is where I'll be looking for different tools to trade. This is where I'll probably be taking moving average and putting different things to identify zones where I'll be able to enter. This would be a pullback trade. So again, if you guys are in the Ultimate Day Trader or in the Academy, you're probably going to understand everything I'm talking about. If not, this is the basic process we follow, right? We start with the market phase. And no, first of all, we start with the news. Then we go to market phase. And then we go to the zones where we're going to enter, right? The pullbacks or the reversals. If you guys have any question on this, you can let me know. I'll stop the video now because I'll get into trading for now. And I'll do that for probably the whole morning. We have the Academy call today. But that's going to be the basic thing for now. So if you guys have any question, let me know. Let me know what the quality of the video is, because I want to know. I don't see the full screen, but I want to know if you guys can see the whole chart correctly. If the chart quality is bad, comment below. Let me know, because I want to do the best I can to fix this, to make it easier to see. And as always, check out the Facebook group. All right, it's always available for free. Check out desartrade.com/group, and you'll be able to join the Facebook group for free. Or you can always go to the page, and you should find a link to join the group for free. So check this out. Let me know if you have any question, and I'll stop the video here. Ciao.